working his way across the room and down the room. And that's what you do.
Ingenious construction workers with skills you must see. Every individual has their own unique set of talents and skills that they are good at. In today's video, we will look at ingenious construction workers' skills that you must see. But before we hop into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Glass staircase. Construction can be described as a process in which assembling or building of an infrastructure is done. The construction project can be residential, commercial, industrial, or highway related. A construction worker has a set of requirements, duties, responsibilities, and skills. They oversee a number of tasks, and some of them have come up with the most intelligent and crafty ways to get their job done. Some of their work videos have gone viral, which include a video in which a glass staircase was installed. A group of construction workers are seen carrying in a glass panel, which appears to be the banisters. Measurements are done on the beams and walls, which will support the staircase. Drilling machines are used to drill holes in the surfaces, into which the screws are screwed. The glass frames are measured, and the holes in the frame are aligned with the holes in the wall. And then they are fixed together. Individual glass steps are placed inside the vertical glass frames. They are screwed in and measured for their straightness. The cardboard packaging from the steps are removed when all of them have been placed and the staircase is complete. Several shots of the staircase are shown, capturing it from different angles, and it is simply mesmerizing. Ingenious construction works have made it possible to install glass banisters and staircases in new construction projects and home renovations alike. Glass is often a suitable material for contemporary homes. Stairs made of safety glass reduce injury as it doesn't break into large, sharp pieces. The clean lines and contemporary feel of glass handrails have made this an increasingly popular option for homeowners. Because glass is transparent, it makes even the narrowest staircase seem grand, allowing the surroundings to shine through unobstructed. It is also easy to clean and maintain, making it desirable material for staircases. Rock wall insulation. Who knew that rocks could be used as an insulating material? This deal from thermal insulation, fire protection, acoustic control, and environmental purposes. Rock wool insulation is an inorganic mineral wood that is sourced from abundant lava deposits of volcanic rocks, which are melted in a couple of furnaces like a controlled man-made volcano. As the remelted lava comes out of the furnace, it is spun, given water repellency treatment, and bound together in a wool-like fleece. The rock wool material is inserted in between the brick walls of your home. Measurements taken within insulated buildings have shown that the levels of airborne mineral wool fibers are so low that they are not usually detectable. Insulation fibers are biosoluble, which means they are harmlessly cleared by the body should they be inhaled or ingested.
We get a lot of advice on bathroom remodeling. If water vapor, or heaven forbid, you get a water.
Rock wool insulation is a durable choice. Its properties and benefits don't reduce or change over time, and the product will effectively perform for the lifetime of the building. High-performance concrete casting. High-performance concrete, HPC, is a special type of concrete that has been designed to be more durable and, if necessary, stronger than conventional concrete. HPC mixtures are composed of essentially the same materials as conventional concrete mixtures, but the proportions are designed or engineered to provide the strength and durability needed for the structure and environmental requirements of the project.
Make sure that it's getting enough spread so that it's workable enough.
It has better mechanical properties and a higher resistance to aggressive chemicals than traditional concrete. Interlocking bricks. Typically, the construction process and masonry are often tedious, time-consuming, and expensive. To reduce the hardships and issues encountered during construction, varied ingenious methods of construction are being put into practice. Interlocking bricks is one such advancement in the construction industry that are an improved sort of conventional clay bricks. Each brick is constructively designed to lock itself to the other bricks around without the utilization of mortar. The self-locking is achieved through shear key and lock mechanism. The shape of shear key varies depending on the plan, and a complementary lock is provided on the other side of the brick. Load transfer is achieved by shear transfer and gravity. Interlocking bricks are compressed and stabilized earth bricks, which contributes to strength of the structure. They're usually not subjected to baking. Interlocking bricks are available in various sizes and depending on the needs and requirements. Schluter. Based on extensive knowledge of tile assemblies, construction workers have come up with practical solutions to challenges faced during tile installation. Typically, tiles and grout joints are not inherently waterproof and must be installed in conjunction with a waterproofing system that effectively manages moisture and prevents mold growth. The Schluter is an integrated family of products that together form a fully bonded, watertight assembly for tiled showers. It eliminates the risk of failures due to water and vapor penetration and dramatically reduces total installation time.
D'accord. Encastrer la bande dans le ciment colle et l'adhésif curly.
From drains to shower benches to waterproofing pipe seals, Schluter ensures that everything is dependable with a watertight installation. Underfloor heating. Underfloor heating and cooling is a type of central heating and cooling which achieves indoor climate control for thermal comfort, using conduction, radiation, and convection. It has a long history from 5000 BC, back when inhabitants drafted smoke from fires through stone-covered trenches, which were excavated in the floors of their subterranean dwellings. Modern underfloor heating systems use either electrical resistant elements or fluid flowing in pipes to heat the floor. Some systems allow for single rooms to be heated when they are part of a larger multi-room system, avoiding any wasted heat. Electrical resistant elements can only be used for heating. When space cooling is also required, hydronic systems must be used. Other applications for which either electric or hydronic systems are suited include snow ice melting for walks, driveways, and landing pads, turf conditioning of football and soccer fields, and frost prevention in freezers and skating rinks. A variety of underfloor heating systems and various styles are available to suit different types of flooring. DokaFlex. DokaFlex is the fast, versatile floor slab formwork for any desired deck layout. Any type of plywood can be used, so that any concrete surface finish can be achieved based on the requirement of the architect. Doka offers formwork solutions for all areas of construction activity.
Offside and schedule-wise.
For anything from housing developments to transportation infrastructure and power generation facilities, or for building the world's tallest structures. Self-leveling concrete. Any experienced home DIY enthusiast should be able to level their own floors with self-leveling concrete. Self-leveling concrete is a polymer-modified concrete that is highly viscous. You pour it over the floor like a thick liquid and let it run into corners and across the floor to create a flat and even surface with minimal effort. It is ideal for flat and existing hard floors, such as concrete, tile, and plywood, before installing new interior flooring, such as LVP, tiles, or wood in the home. But just because self-leveling concrete is easier to use than the traditional stuff doesn't mean that things can't go wrong. Mixing can be challenging.
A perfect flat. It is flat where you're pouring the buckets because the gravity.
The window to pour correctly before setting is short, and the appropriateness of options for different environments are not easy to get right. There are a lot of things that can go wrong with this home DIY project. Brick effect. One of the fastest and most satisfying ways in which a brick wall is made can be seen in the Ingenious construction worker's video. He first measures the spot he wants to make the brick effect. He puts tape on the wall, forming a rectangular shape. He then mixes cement powder with water to make a smooth paste in a bucket. He then applies the cement onto the wall using a metal strip that has ridged edges. He uses the ridged end first and smooths out the ridges before the mixture gets dried. The brick mixture is applied and smoothed out using a flat strip, followed by brushing it with a brush to make light strokes. A roller brush is also used on half of the surface. A metallic scraper is taken out from the bullocks box and is used to scrape away evenly spaced thin vertical lines off the surface.
Near joint gaps and has been prepared according to the characteristics of stone wrap product.
Small horizontal lines are scraped off in such a way that small rectangles are made throughout, which give the final look resembling that of a brick wall. The final touches are done and the tape is removed, following the varnish wash. construction workers have managed to create the most innovative and artistic establishments with the use of their creative skills. If you liked this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos in the future. Also, hit the bell icon to stay up to date and be the first one to watch our latest videos.